Hello world, back again. My name is Harshvardhan and today I'm gonna show you how to download and install Netcat. Also, in this video I will teach you that how to create a chat session between your Windows 10 and your Kali Linux box. At first you have to know that what is Netcat tool. Netcat is a network utility which is able to read and write on both TCP and UDP ports. This functionality helps Netcat to run on both client and server modes. Using Netcat as a network client can be useful in several situations, such as to check if ports is open or closed, to read the banner from the port, to connect and interact with network service manually. Now, to download your Netcat tool, you just go to browser, simply double click on your Firefox, and search for Netcat for Windows. Click on first link, click on Netcat 1.11 and save it on your local hard disk. Open your download location, extract your Netcat Win32, just double click on Netcat and it is your Netcat tool. Now you just copy your Netcat tool from your download location, go to this PC, go to C drive, go to Windows directory and paste it here. Now open command prompt. Now you have to open your command prompt, run as an administrator, click on yes, go to change directory to Netcat 1.11. Here you show that your Netcat 64.exe. Now to set your Windows 10 as a listener, you simply type nc64.exe dash nlvp to port 4444. Now you go to your Kali Linux box, open your terminal, simply type netcat dash nv and put the IP address 192.168.1.132 of your Windows 10 machine to port 4444. It is established your chat session between your Kali Linux and your Windows 10 machine. You simply type your chat, hi, I am Kali box who are you, and your chat is in your Windows 10 machine. Now you have to type something in your Windows 10 machine. Hello, I am Windows 10. How are you? And your chat shown in your Kali box. So thanks for watching. Keep like, subscribe and share my video. Thanks for watching.